Hey folks, Bob with Currency Waves. Gonna buzz through the charts here quick. You'll notice a considerable difference in my charts. I am using Motive Wave instead of MT4. And what I've done here is these green bars and the RSI is above 50. The bars are green. When it's below 50, the bars are red. So we'll kind of use that as confirmation with our awesome oscillator for trades. So we have a zero line cross here, awesome, or the RSI we know just by looking here is above 50. So we can take a long. Another saucer here, same situation. Got a zero line cross, RSI is below 50. Perfect short. We have some false signals in here, but you get the picture. So, also over here, I have a blue line, green line, red line, yellow line. The blue line is our entry, so we had a saucer here with a entry of a break of 31.52. Stop is 30.70. Target would be then 32.63 for a 1-to-1 trade or 83.6 pips. This yellow line I do not have in play yet. What that'll be is when we're in trends like this, this will be, the trailing stop for the Heikin-Ashi trailing stop system. But right now it's really, I don't want to use it on this because it's an ending diagonal, so it seems to be anyway. So what I have going on here now is I have the A, the B, 1, 2, 3, looking for a 4 and a 5. Right now we have divergence on the awesome oscillator, or Twin Peaks. We have, this isn't actually, well, maybe it is divergence. So I put it on a line chart, that probably is divergence if this close was higher than this close, but what's more important to me right now is the divergence between wave 1 and 3. Looking for a pullback to wave 4. We'll probably see a red bar, maybe a little saucer here, and then the fifth wave up. To 32.72, the 78.6 retraces 32.76, so somewhere up in here I'm looking for the C wave to end, if that's in fact what it is. An alternate and more bullish count here would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and it's going to shoot out of here, but I'm not looking that bullish on this right now. And I also have a comment on here, RSI currently above 70. You'll notice when it peaks above 70 the last 3 times, we got the reversal, so. And we also have just a little bit of divergence here right now between 1 and 3 on the RSI. Aussie. We have broken above this trend line. I'm still thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an A. But I would like to see A, B, and a C down. But I don't know that I'm going to get that. This could be some type of wave 1, leading diagonal, sloppy wave 1. We get a 2, 3, 4, 5 or something like that out of here. But we did have a saucer down here. It would have traded at 30.92.37. Stop at 91.73, target of 93.10. So, and then just a comment I had here, RSI has not been above 70 since 6.3. Okay, so it peaked above 70 here and crashed. Since then, every time it got close, it reversed. Got close, reversed. Close. You can see the I like to watch RSI trend lines too. You'll start to see that a lot. But yeah, target of 93.10. I still hoping for that ABC down, but we'll see what happens here. Pound. We are just about at 61.8 retrace of this move down. We did have a trigger here at 52.47 for a long with a target. Ooh, don't have a target on there. Target 54.14, just above the 618 retrace. So you could probably go break even on those stops. I mean, if you're in this trade, but that's probably what I would do right now. If not, 53. And the RSI is above 70, way above 70 right now. So New Zealand, not really doing anything. I don't even have a count on here. I don't really like this pair that all much. We did peak at 70 here, and again we're peaking at 70. Maybe we see a reversal up here at the top of the channel, or maybe an ABC. But as far as a larger count, I have not looked. Euro is just kind of flopping around the zero line right now. Our size, obviously, without even looking at it, is below 50. We did have a zero line cross back here that did not get triggered. And we are back below it again here. Not really going to do anything with it, but 1.4097 is the 618 retrace of this move. If this is wave 1 of 5, if this was the end of 4, I do believe the Euro Oz is going higher, but I was expecting a move back down to 35.34 first, with an ABC for A, a B, and a C wave down to around 35. Is probably this peak here. I don't have the retrace on there. Euro pound. Not really sure what that channel is there. But anyway, we did have a zero line cross, triggered at 86.15, target of 85.55. I've got my lines. Shoot up here. There we go. Triggered at 86.15, stop at 86.80, target 85.50. Looks like we could get there. All right, Aussie Yen. We had the zero line cross here. RSI was about 50. Target about 93. Stop at 90.80. And we could have a saucer going on here, but means we're already in the trade. Won't be taking that. But as you can see, looking for maybe a test to the top of this channel before reversing. And remember, this is possibly a wave 4, and this is the weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, looking for 4. It could reach all the way up to 93, 97 before another move down. So, which is this little peak right here. $93.80. Euro Yen. Maybe we got a saucer coming up here. We did break below the 50 on the RSI, but it looks like it's trying to go back, get back up. Think of maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 33.50, possibly 34.71. Wave 4 came in pretty nicely at the 382. Top of the channel for the Elliott wave channel comes in right up there, so that's kind of sweet. So it may be, depending on depending on the entry, I should say, for this, if we do get the saucer, it may be worth a trade up to the top there of that channel. Pound yen. I didn't put anything on here for trades or anything. We would have had a saucer here, which would have been already out. And we had saucer here, which I wouldn't really call this a saucer, so but maybe we'll see a little more pullback in the saucer here for a run back up to the top of the channel again. Don't really have a wave count on this right now. So yeah, watch for that saucer there. Dollar yen actually triggered a zero line cross. Did I do that right? Actually, the cross is down here. Yeah, down one more. Therefore, our targets. Better yet, back to the bottom of the channel. So 153.8 pips. And dollar CAD had a zero line cross here that was triggered. 1.036, target 278, right at the bottom of this trend line, pretty close, with a stop 1.0442. What I am looking for here is okay, this is just a quick look at the daily chart. What I was looking for is the A, B, C. So it'd be nice to, we could possibly play that B wave up, but 484 from here, a couple hundred pips if we got the signals, but I'd be more interested in playing the C wave down. So we say we had the zero line cross. That was triggered on the break of this candle low at 94.06, target 93.34, stop 94.78, 72.8 pips, and we would have gotten out here. We do have some type of wedge going on, basically the same thing as what's going on in the euro dollar. And obviously have the divergence going on here. Again, we probably have the same A, B, 1, 2, 3, looking for 4 back up, 5 down. So dollar had a lot of saucers here. One here, there's one here, there's one here. I did not mark it. I don't think anybody's actually trading a dollar. It's just kind of a reference thing, but it is going down at the moment. And the S&P 500, nice simple trend higher here. 618 comes in at 1708. Obviously we have some sweet divergence going on here between, you know, this is probably wave 3, 4, 5 of this 3, and then we'll see a 4 down, probably a saucer before the final 5th wave up. So, alright, sorry it was a little longer tonight, I was just kind of rattling on. I'm a little tired. But thanks very much. If you like what you see, please retweet it, forward it, like it, all that good stuff, alright? Thank you.